If you think about compliance management, you're receiving documents, maybe it's insurance certificates, lien waivers, safety training documentation, that needs to be recorded and collected inside of the software. Well, you might have examples of the same policy that needs to be across multiple entities. Maybe the same subcontractors working on multiple projects, and the one policy covers them across project. Now, you also need the ability to update that information and be specific for the policy. Prior to 24R1, if a vendor was working on multiple projects, you were not able to assign the same policy number with that vendor to multiple projects. You had to make something unique. Same would be true if that same policy or single policy covered multiple clients' categories. Maybe in this case, you could see insurance policies from liability, automotive, and umbrella. Well, in 24R1, we've lifted some of the limitations of the prior compliance checking so that you can enter the same policy number across multiple projects for that same vendor, as you see here within the green items that are going through, as well as now that same policy number can be represented across multiple entities. So looking at the uniqueness by category, policy, vendor, project, effective date, and limitations, and streamlining the compliance management available inside of Acumatica.